Good morning, Aditi. I am here to see how to receive fish today.
Great to see you here. It is good that you are learning how to receive fish. Receiving fish properly is very important as it is highly perishable. In the last video we learnt about receiving meat and how to accept quality meat in your hotel. Fish is a very perishable food item, so you need to be slightly more careful. Before you receive fish, you will need some crushed ice. Fresh fish must come packed in ice. Once you have weighed it, you will need to immediately transfer it into fresh crushed ice that you have with you.
So every time we receive fish, we must keep crushed ice with us?
Fresh fish is very sensitive to temperature change and can spoil very quickly. In order to keep it safe, you will need ice with you to maintain a temperature below 5 degrees Celsius. First, and this is very important, fish must come packed in ice. If it does not come in crushed ice, reject it immediately. The color of the fish gills and the eyes are next indicator of freshness. The gills must be bright and red in color and the eyes must be bright, clear and full. If the gills are dull and gray or the eyes have a red rim, you can understand that the fish is old. However, I want you to be careful, because some vendors will add certain chemicals to preserve the color of the gills and eyes. So you must always smell fish. If there is no smell at all, it may mean that there is some chemicals added. Fresh fish must have some smell. Not strong or like ammonia, but some mild smell of seaweed.
So a fish can be identified by color of the gills and some smell. It must also be brought in crushed ice to maintain the temperature.
You are right. With fish, you have to be absolutely certain that you are getting the right product. I hope you learned something new today, Jay.
Yes, I learned how to receive fish properly and am now excited to come back tomorrow to learn about receiving other materials. I never knew that receiving can be so complex. Hey, can I ask you for a favor before you go? Could you share this video with a friend who may also learn from this channel? Ask them to subscribe to the channel as well. Use the share button below the video.
I'm happy that you will come back tomorrow to see how we receive some other materials in the hotel. In the meantime, do click on the playlist to the left and keep watching other episodes.